Do you know what we will do today?
Ma'am, we will learn about the story Raven and the Fox.
Okay. In our previous class, we have already discussed about the story, and the story is about the fox and the raven. Do you know what is the name of the fox?
Yes, ma'am. The fox name is Raven.
Yes, dear, you have told the wrong answer. The fox name is Renard
Okay, ma'am.
and the crow name is Raven. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So we all are ready for it. Are you
Yes.
ready?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Okay, that means in our class today we will discuss about again some question answers related to the story. Before going to do some question answer, can you recall the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who will tell the story again?
Ma'am, I will tell the story.
Okay, tell me the story.
Ma'am, the story is about the raven was sitting on a tree with a piece of food in its beak when a clever fox came by and noticed it. The fox wanted that food, so he began to think of a way to get it. Soon, an idea came to his mind. He started praising the raven with sweet and flattering words. He told the raven that he was very handsome and even respectfully called him sir. The fox went on to say that if the raven sang, all the birds of the forest would surely declare him the king of the woods. Now was the fox truly praising the raven from his heart, or was he trying to trick him? In truth, the fox was only trying to fool the raven. The raven, however, believed the fox's words. Feeling proud and pleased, he opened his beak to sing. But as soon as he did, the piece of food fell to the ground. The clever fox quickly grabbed it and ran away.
Very good. How nicely you have told the story. Very good. According to the fox and the raven story, we will do some question answer. So can we start our question answer?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So questions is like that. The first question is, who wanted the piece of cheese?
Ma'am,
Who will say?
Ma'am, I will say.
You will say. Okay, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer of this question, who wanted the piece of cheese, is the fox wanted the piece of cheese.
Yes, the fox wanted the piece of cheese. Have you ever ate a cheese?
Yes, ma'am. It's very sweet.
Okay, it's very sweet. No, it's very not sweet.
How it is, ma'am?
Yes, it's very tasty. Yes, for you it's sweet and tasty, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next question is, who will say the question's answer? What did the fox ask the crow? Who will say?
Ma'am, I will say the answer.
Okay, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is the fox asked the crow to sing a song.
Yes, as the fox wanted the cheese, so he told to the crow that to sing a song. Okay, dear, have you ever listened the voice of the crow?
Yes, ma'am.
How it?
Ka, ka, ka.
Is it a sweet voice?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's not sweet voice.
Yes, it's not very sweet voice. Can you recall or remember it? The sweet voice of some of the birds?
Yes, ma'am. The sweet voice of birds is parrot voice and the cuckoo's voice.
Yes, the voice of cuckoo is very sweet. Have you ever listened?
Yes, ma'am.
How it? Yes, what a nice voice, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next we will discuss another question. The question is, what happened when the crow opened his mouth? Who will
Ma'am?
say?
Ma'am, I will say the answer.
Okay, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, when the crow opened his mouth, the cheese fell down.
Yes. Okay, very nice. When the crow opened his mouth to sing a song, the cheese fell into the ground. Very good. Next question. Who will say? The question is, why does the raven forget that his voice is just a croak? Who will say?
Ma'am, I will say the answer.
Good. Tell me the answer.
And the answer is the raven forget that his voice is just a croak because he is fluttered by Reynard, who trick him into thinking he can sing.
Yes. The voice of the crow is not good, but clever fox, what he did? He just wanted the cheese. So he praised and flattered the renard. Okay. Next question is, how does renard make the raven sing? Who will say the answer?
I will say the answer.
Okay, tell me the answer.
And the answer is the Reynard flatters the raven by praising his looks and telling him that he would be the king of birds if he could sing.
Yes, what a nice answer. The clever renard flattered the raven. What he did? He praising his looks and telling him that he could be the king of birds if he could sing. Very nice. Next we will do another question. The question is, why does renard say that the pride is not wise? Who will answer it?
I will answer it.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, because it blinds individual, causing them to act foolishly and ignore risk, ultimately leading to loss.
Yes, if we will praise someone, what he does not acts, then blindly it individual causing to act foolishly and ignore risks, ultimately leading to loss. Very good answer. Next question is, give one reason why the teaching is quite a surprise. Who will answer it?
I will answer.
Okay, tell me the answer.
The answer is the raven did not expect to be tricked by the fox flutterly and lost his food despite his usual awareness of his poor voice.
Very good. As Raven did not expect that he is just a fool, and the clever fox flattered him. Isn't it?
Yes,
very good. So now we will explore anything else. Have you done anything about origami?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's see some pictures of origami.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we want to learn about origami.
Yes, you want to learn the origami.
Ma'am, what is origami?
Okay, what is origami? Let me explain what is origami. Origami is the art of folding objects to create both two-dimensional and three-dimensional objects. That means you people were given some papers and you will do some origami. As we have already discussed the story of crow and the fox, the renard and the raven. So, who is the clever?
Ma'am, Reynard.
Yes, the clever one is the renard the fox. So, today you people will given some papers and we will do the origami of the renard. So, are you ready for that?
Yes, ma'am. We all are ready.
So I will say stepwise. Okay, and you have to follow me, and you have to do the origami of the fox.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. So will we start?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's see the picture and follow my words. All are ready for it?
Yes, ma'am. We all are ready.
So first of all, you have to take the paper. Have you taken?
Yes, ma'am. We have taken the paper.
Okay. The first thing you have to do is take one corner of your paper square and fold it in half to the opposite corner, making a crease. Unfold it back into a square. Then fold it in half origin using the other two corners. All have done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the second one. The second step is folding in the paper. So after that, within the crease horizontal, fold the top and the bottom corners of the triangle into the center. Use the crease to origin the two folds in the middle. Okay, dear students,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done it?
No, ma'am. Can you repeat again the second one, ma'am?
Okay. So first of all, you do within the folding the crease horizontal. Then fold the top and the bottom corners of the triangle into the center. Use the crease to origin the two folds in the middle. Now you can do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will go for the third step. The start step is you have to make small squares. Now you have small squares. Do you have the small squares?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now within the square you have to split into two triangles. Do it quickly.
Yes, ma'am. We did it.
Okay. Now you fold the corner of the one triangle backwards to line up with the corner of the other. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it's for the fourth step. Now it's time for making a face. Yes. Now you have to fold the corner, setting only the top layer of the angle shown by the dotted line. Have you seen the dotted line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to fold the corner, setting only the top layer of the angle shown by the dotted line. Now, lift the next layer from the same corner. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Open it, up and bottom of the top. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now open it, up and bottom of the top to make a die mold. Done it, dears?
Ma'am, can you repeat again the fourth one?
Okay, I will repeat it. Those who have not done, do it again. To making a face, you have to fold the corner, setting only the top layer of the angle shown by the dotted line. Lift the next layer from the same corner. Then open it up and open it bottom of the top to make a die mold. Have you done it, dear students?
Yes, ma'am. We done.
Okay. Now it's the fifth step. Fifth step, we will do the tail of the fox. For that, we have to bend the tail. Are you ready for it? For the fifth step?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Okay. So, take the opposite corner and fold it forwards. Do it quickly, dear students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you taken the opposite corner and fold it forwards?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, you do across the front of your design. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This should make this corner look like the fox tail. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's look like a foxtail.
Yes.
Foxtail.
Very good. Now the last step. Now the last step that we have to make some feathers. Okay? So that the origami just look like a fox. So now let's draw some features. Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Now finish it off by drawing a fox onto the area you flattened out. Now you can stand your fox up straight to admire using tail to balance it.
Ma'am, can you repeat again the sixth one?
Okay, I will repeat it. First of all, your fox tail is ready. Now you have to do some feathers of the fox. For that, you have to finish it off by drawing a fox onto the area you flattened out. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can stand your fox up straight to admire using tail to balance it.
Yes, ma'am. We did it.
Very good. Now you see your fox, how it looks like.
Ma'am, it's look like a fox.
It looks like a fox. Okay. That means you people have done a very nice fox by folding the papers. Okay. It's a origami of the fox. Can you do another origami of another maybe some crow or parrot or elephant or zebra, anything else?
Yes, ma'am. We can do it. It is very interesting.
It's very interesting. You wanted to do another one?
Yes, ma'am. We wanted to do.
Okay. So dear students, we will do another origami. Now it's your turn to prepare an origami of
Elephant.
Yes, the biggest elephant. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
it's the elephant, the biggest animal of the jungle.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
can we do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we all will do once again by paper folding method.
Yes, ma'am. We can use very colorful paper to make origami of elephant.
Yes, you people are given, see, you have some red, blue, black, white, so many color of papers. So of your choice, you can take a paper and we will do the origami of the elephant. Yes, you people are very interesting.
Yes, ma'am. The
Okay.
class is also very interesting. We learn a lot of things.
Okay, dear. So first we will do the basic folds. So dear students, take the paper and start folding. Okay,
ma'am.
start with a square piece of paper. Fold it in half diagonally in both directions. Then unfold to create a crease. Okay, all of you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next you have to do the points. So how we will make the points? Fold the bottom corners up to meet the center crease to form a kite shape. Then fold the top corner down to meet the center point. Okay, all are ready to do it?
Yes, ma'am. We all are ready.
Okay, I am telling you again, this is the one of the most important part to prepare the origami of the elephant. So dear students, fold it properly. Fold the bottom corners up to meet the center crease to form a kite shape. Then fold the top corner down to meet the center point.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, have you done all?
Yes, ma'am. We did it.
Okay, we will go for the next fold. To make the body, we have to fold like this. Turn the paper over. Fold the sides inward towards the center line. Next is we have to make the head and trunk of the elephant. For that, we have to fold the paper in half lengthwise. Then fold down the top part to create the head and create a reverse fold to create the trunk.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is we have to create the ears and the legs of the elephant. For that, you have to fold the side corners into form the ears. Then to create the legs, we have to use inside reverse folds on the lower section of the paper. Now making them equal in length.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear students. So here we have formed the elephant's ears, legs, head and the trunk. Now it's a time for final touch, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to fold the bottom tip of the trunk upwards and optionally fold the front section of the trunk to create a zigzag shape.
Okay, ma'am.
So dear students, do it quickly.
Yes, ma'am. It's done.
Very good. Now it's time for say thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
ଖୁସିରେ ଶିଖିବା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଅଧିକାର। ନମସ୍କାର।